here at the Franklin County Make-A-Wish Truck Convoy 2025, and just thought we'd go live here as the trucks pull out for their journey around Franklin County. So enjoy all the photos, all the horn blowing, but the Cara Sheaffer group really appreciates what the Make-A-Wish Foundation does for our local community here, and just glad to be a part of it. So here you go. I'll be quiet and let you enjoy the convoy.
Here comes the high bidder.
Yeah, Waste Connections of PA was the high bidder for the top spot in the convoy.
I believe they paid $5,000 to the #1 spot. And I
Beautiful
think they were
ride.
number 1 last year. Maybe.
Yeah, I think they were.
I think they were. They're a big supporter in our town. We thank them for their support always.
Beautiful.
Beautiful, beautiful. This parade, I believe they said, is expected to be about 2 hours long, I think, from the time it leaves here till it gets back. So if you are along the parade route, enjoy.
Beautiful trucks. Cardell Trucking, they were the highest bidder for the second spot on the convoy. They have some beautiful trucks.
Before everyone arrived today at the fairgrounds, they actually had raised over $20,000. So they raised over 20, and that was before we even arrived here today on site.
Now that's a loud horn.
Look at the back.
A big load. Bumpers.
Oh, and here
There's
comes,
Mountain Dew,
yep,
Pepsi.
Yep, this is Jason.
Yep, Pepsi played a big
Yep,
part
big part.
in today's events. Bob's Furniture was here handing out items, giveaways.
Thank you, guys. It takes so much, and the local folks that put this together, it's just amazing, the hours. And Stacy, and I don't want to mention everybody on her crew because I know I don't want to miss anyone, but boy, they put so many hours into this all year long. Like, they'll start working on next year's event probably next week.
We got ourselves a load of pipe, load of trailers.
Big time community supporters here. All these trucks and all these folks. Just sir. We're thankful for
Yeah.
all these folks that just participate.
Yeah, Hawk Communications was here. They had a bucket truck. They were giving little kids rides in the bucket truck, so it was great. Here comes one of my favorite trucks every year.
It's kind of spooky.
Check out Maximum Overdrive, the movie. Wendy's was a big sponsor.
Everybody here, they just played such a part, and it's just nice to see everybody come out.
Making dust. Right. Beautiful trucks.
Nice. These businesses, they all pay to sponsor to be in the parade. So that's just, it's amazing. Plus they clean up these vehicles. Plus they take them off the road today to do this. So for awareness. And it makes a difference. Right now, I believe Stacy said they have 9 pending wishes from children, and would not surprise me if they don't meet those wishes today. They're everything from a child wants a puppy to Disney.
Hawaii.
Hawaii, I didn't hear that.
I heard her
one.
say
Okay.
someone wanted to go to Hawaii.
All right, okay, awesome.
Hey, I'd like to go to Hawaii. That's beautiful dump trucks. Those things are spick and span. These folks take a lot of pride in their vehicles.
Makes me want to buy a truck.
Uh-oh. No. Yep, that was Brad. Load of John Deere's.
See that horse on the front?
I do see that horse on the front.
East Coast Green.
George & Sons out of Waynesboro.
We're trying to give a shout out to all these local businesses. And gals do so much for our community and really the nation. I mean, hurricanes, flooding, things like that, they were loading up stuff and hauling it for relief efforts. So kudos there to the folks at Marion Auction. This is a full load.
That is a full load. You guys have their product on there, and Scott's Hauling. Scott's always has quite a showing for this event. And they have their loads on.
Probably heading out to work.
Right on.
Yeah. Include motorhomes next year.
Right.
Get a big group. That would be fun. Scott has a lot of
Scott's has quite a showing here. Nice looking truck, flag on it. Thing looking good.
Yeah,
that was a loud horn.
Great local business. I love seeing everybody from the community.
Franklin Feed and Hardware. Quite a few trucks. I'm surprised they don't stop the traffic here. logistics.
Oh, here comes the local favorite. Shout out to Martin's.
Yeah, Martin's potato rolls.
It's all about the bun.
It's all about the bun. It's all about the hens.
It's all about the hen. Come on now.
Hey folks, share this video. That way everybody that's participating in this parade, they'll have this in this convoy, but please don't hesitate to share this video.
Yeah, share the video. That gives them all mentions. They've all donated their time today and really big time community supporters.
Still a lot of vehicles on the hill to come off. David H. Martin.
Check out all the kiddos over there. They love to hear the horns. That's why you're hearing all the horns. They're all asking for it. They're having fun.
Kids are getting their fill.
Transport.
I know.
I think they're so pretty.
I think that's eyes and all the driveway.
Yes.
I think this might be this one. Yes. I think his brother-in-law works.
Wow, that's a lot of polished stainless.
Right?
Transport. There's still so many trucks coming off that hill. These folks were out of Delaware.
Wow.
Out of Delaware.
Great looking truck. That's cool.
That's really pretty.
AAA Paving and Excavating out of Waynesboro.
Great looking trucks.
Right?
Everybody has their stuff so clean.
Shorty.
Chambersburg.
I think this might be Alex coming here. Mr. Baker's son. Yep. It's a great horn. Rock steady.
Portable excavating. Out of Chambersburg.
Cattle trailer. Greg's. Greencastle auction.
We'll follow up with you then and let you know later on in the week or the day, whatever, how many they had and the total. Clear spring.
A
lot of equipment in here.
Creekstone has quite a showing. There's a Dewey pile.
Kevin's pressure washing.
A little bit of everything.
Leroy.
Very.
You see the signs along the parade route, and several of them that we've seen have said thank you for what you're doing for our families, and that just tells you why all these people are out here.
That is a hard job.
Hard job.
I have a tree I need to go pick up this weekend.
Stump grinding, stump grinding. Support these local businesses.
There's Mercer View.
Mercer View.
And we got some civilian here trying to get through. Not a good choice to come this way.
Try to be safe if you see these guys coming. Stand back.
Some beautiful trucks here.
I know, I love these trucks.
Like the orange sickle.
Some of my favorite.
Cream sickle. That's funny, they have some big tractors.
Joe's waving to us.
I think so.
Yeah.
Heck.
Born ready.
That was an old Freightliner.
Oh, that's cool. There you go.
Okay, that's it. That's a wrap.
Yeah, thanks for joining us.
Keep your eye out there on the road for these folks.